Now we're going to assemble the top stepper motor base. We have two sheet metal screws. We have the stepper motor base, the stepper motor mount, and what we're going to do is work from the bottom side, placing one of the sheet metal screws through like so, line it up on the mounting hole, and then we're going to get it started, and we'll use our Phillips head screwdriver to tighten that up like so. Then we will turn around and we'll put the second screw in and put that in place, and we'll use our Phillips head screwdriver to tighten that screw up. And when we're done, it should be secure, like so, nice and tight. You'll notice that on the stepper mount that these little blocks are facing outward.